Hey everybody, today we're going to change the color of a PNG in Photoshop. Super quick one today, folks. Let's say you have a PNG file. For this example, let's say it's the logo for your business. Maybe you're using it as a watermark. As a photographer or a graphic artist, you'll need to adjust the color of your logo based on the intended background. This is how you can easily change the color of that PNG in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, here's a quick logo mock-up I made for my company. To change the color, we simply go down to our layer and double-click. The Layer Style menu now pops open. Now, click on Color Overlay, and click on this box to pull up the color picker. Simply drag the cursor around to select the desired color shade and saturation levels of your PNG. When you've found the color you love, click OK and export your file as a PNG. That's it, super simple. For more tutorials, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel.